Hey, Roger Rowe here. I am going to tell you today about the improvements that the marina is planning and dispel a couple rumors and let you in on some information you may or may not have heard yet. And the most important thing that I think you probably haven't heard yet is that the marina owners are spending $6 million in upgrades to the marina. It's going to be it's going to be an experience destination. The bottom bar is going to look like something out of Key West. It's Key West style bar construction. There's going to be a bar and grill upstairs, and I think everybody's going to like it. And we want to talk about in this first video the parking lot. The parking lot is in bad shape. Now, this picture here on Google Maps is old. It's very old. This is before the hurricane. And you can't tell how beaten up the parking lot is. But if you've been here within the last 3 years, you know that it's been trashed since the hurricane. And one of the reasons that it's gotten trashed and not fixed or cleaned up is because we have the let me get this over here, do a screen draw for you. The dumpster is in this area, and when the trash truck comes in to empty the dumpster, they come in here and they're loaded, or they're very heavy trucks, and they tear up the asphalt here where they start to turn their wheels, and then they turn again here, and they come over here to unload the dumpster. Well, the Marina Development Group has, and let's see, let me get this up here. Give me 1 second. Okay, so now I can move it. The Marina Development Company wants to move the dumpsters up here. That will keep the trash truck on a city road, and all they have to do is pull in right here and unload, and it will save the parking lot. Now, the finances of the parking lot, this is just one of many improvements that the Marina Group wants to make. And they're paying for the engineer to have the entire parking lot redone. There's going to be a slope. As you know, we have standing water right here on the side of the parking lot every time it rains. If you don't know that, I can tell you that it's ankle deep here in many, many places. And the engineering is going to consist of sloping this back to the middle so that the water drains to where it's supposed to be, and there'll be underground drainage here that'll all come out to this drainage pipe and empty into the bay, so that we can get rid of that water, so that you're not tracking it into your car or into your unit. And all of this part of the parking lot will be utilized because they intend to drive a great amount of traffic to this new marina and restaurant, which is going to affect the visibility of Sun Harbor condominiums. So that is a good thing as a homeowner. That's a good thing for you. That is one of many ways what the developers are trying to do is going to increase your property value. So the Marina Group has promised to pay for the engineering, to fix the parking lot, and to repave the parking lot, and give Sun Harbor HOA a low interest loan in order to pay for their part, which means that we don't have to come out of pocket with this uncreative idea of a $2,000 per door assessment. It's This way we can pay it over time. It's a moderate interest rate. The marina gets what they want. The owners get what they want. Everybody's happy, and there's no big assessment per door. So I believe this is a really good idea. And it's funny that the board president has yet to communicate this to anybody. He's known about this for several weeks. Today is April 28th. He's known about this for several weeks, and he has yet to inform anybody of what the marina is offering in detail. Okay, so I'm going to end this video here about the parking lot, and in the subsequent videos, I'm going to take you through everything the marina developer told me. His name is Christopher Gay. He's a businessman. He was able to explain things to myself and a couple of other people in great detail, and he's got a great plan. They own this group redeveloping the marina owns thousands of thousands of apartments, several apartment complexes, and other marinas. They've done this before. This is not their first go around. They actually do know what they're doing, and far, far more than your current board and management company. So I'll wrap this one up with that, and in the next video we'll talk about how the entrance is going to be handled, and in the subsequent videos I will let you in on everything that the marina developer has given me as far as information and what their plans are. So it looks a lot different now than it did in this picture. This breezeway is not covered anymore. There's no roof here anymore, and the building's been damaged. And they're getting they're in the process of getting their permits right now to start all this work. One of the things that they need us to do is make a decision on something as an owner group, and it has to be done by vote. It's not up to the board. It's not up to the board president. But we'll talk about the alterations shortly in a couple of videos, and I'll give you all the information that you need to know about those.